if I told you that boxing could transform your body faster than any workout you've ever tried? It's not just for the pros. Boxing is an all-in-one solution that burns fat, builds muscles, and boosts your stamina like nothing else. With every punch, you're engaging muscles all over your body, torching calories, and sharpening your focus. And the best part? You'll see real results, both physically and mentally. Whether you want to lose weight, grow muscle, or just feel stronger, boxing has you covered. Curious about what really happens when you start? Let's dive in. Activates multiple muscle groups. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches. It's a full-body workout that activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Imagine yourself in the gym, every jab and hook firing up the muscles in your arms, shoulders, and back, while your legs are in constant motion, driving your core to stabilize. It's like engaging in a full-body dance, where each move builds muscles and promotes overall fitness. For those aiming to build big muscles, combining this sport with strength training can double the benefits. Adding a balanced diet and proper hydration into the mix, now you're really setting yourself up for some serious gains. Think about it. You're not only working your biceps or legs separately, you're engaging your body in a way few workouts can. When you jump into the ring or even shadow box, you're targeting key areas that help in building muscles all over. Picture the gym atmosphere, the intensity of the training, the sweat, and the focus. Your arms might be throwing punches, but your legs and core are doing just as much of the work, making sure you stay grounded and ready for the next move. That's why it's perfect for anyone looking to boost their workout routine and pump up their training sessions. If you're wondering how to optimize your gains further, pairing boxing with strength circuits is the way to go. Not only will you grow muscle faster, but you'll also notice improvements in agility and endurance. Start small. Maybe alternate days between boxing workouts and resistance training. This way, you'll be steadily building muscles while also working on your cardiovascular health. And the pump you'll feel after each session will remind you that you're one step closer to achieving your fitness goals. High-calorie burn boxing is not just a workout. It's an intense, calorie-burning machine. In just one session, you can burn anywhere from 600 to 1,000 calories, which is the equivalent of running a solid hour on the treadmill, but far more engaging. The constant movement, punches, and dodges make it a dynamic form of fitness that keeps your muscles working hard and your heart rate up. For those looking to lose weight, boxing provides an exciting way to shed fat while also defining muscles. Imagine finishing a workout feeling both mentally and physically pumped. There's nothing quite like it. Think of boxing as an all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength training. The constant switching between fast punches and defensive footwork keeps your body in motion, forcing your muscles to work overtime. That's why athletes in sports like MMA and professional boxing maintain such lean, muscular physiques. Every punch you throw is a mini workout for your muscles. And after a few rounds, you'll feel the burn in places you didn't even know existed. That's the beauty of boxing. You're building muscles and burning fat at the same time, all while keeping things fun and dynamic. If you're looking to ramp up your fitness, adding boxing to your gym routine can push your body to the next level. It's not just about losing weight. Boxing helps build muscles and improve muscle tone, thanks to the sheer volume of energy and effort you put into each session. A few times a week, and you'll notice muscles growing, fat burning, and an overall improvement in endurance. Plus, the mental clarity that comes with this level of workout is just an added bonus. Improves cardiorespiratory performance. Boxing is a cardio powerhouse, perfect for those wanting to improve their heart and lung health. The rapid pace of the workout keeps your heart rate elevated, training your cardiovascular system just as effectively as a long run, but with more excitement. Each punch, each dodge, and every movement forces your body to adapt, increasing endurance and boosting overall fitness. For those involved in high-intensity sports or gym enthusiasts looking to boost their stamina, boxing is a game changer. Think of it like this. During an intense boxing session, your heart pumps harder, your lungs expand, and your muscles rely on a steady supply of oxygen to keep moving. It's an all-encompassing fitness routine that elevates your athletic ability to new heights. If you're into bodybuilding, Pairing this with your strength routines can significantly enhance your performance, not just in terms of muscle growth, but also in stamina and recovery. Imagine running out of breath less often, lasting longer during tough workouts, and feeling more energized post-training. That's the cardiorespiratory advantage boxing brings. Boxing also translates well to real-life improvements. Your ability to walk upstairs without feeling winded, run longer distances, or even keep up with your daily workout routine without needing to catch your breath. These are the small yet significant changes you'll notice over time. This is why so many athletes incorporate boxing into their training. It's not just about building muscles, but about building a stronger body from the inside out, enhancing your athletic potential and overall fitness in ways that traditional cardio just can't match. Reduces stress. Boxing isn't just about fitness. It's a powerful tool for mental well-being. Each punch you throw, every movement you make, works as a form of release, letting go of the day's stress and tension. The intensity of the workout triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, leaving you feeling lighter and more relaxed post-training. It's like having a mental reset button, making boxing a favorite workout for people looking to keep their stress levels in check while building muscles and improving fitness. Imagine stepping into the gym after a long day at work. You're feeling the weight of your responsibilities, but as soon as you put on those gloves and start the workout, everything changes. Every punch releases built-up tension, and by the end of the session, you feel rejuvenated. It's a workout that goes beyond physical gains. It nurtures mental clarity and emotional balance. Plus, the focus required during boxing helps you stay present, pulling your mind away from stress-inducing thoughts and channeling your energy into your training. For those juggling demanding schedules, boxing offers a productive outlet for both mind and body. The pump you get from your muscles is matched by a sense of calm that lasts long after the workout ends. This combination of mental and physical benefits is why boxing is so effective for reducing stress while helping you grow muscles and stay fit. Whether you're dealing with a tough day or just need a boost, boxing provides a therapeutic outlet, keeping your mind sharp and your muscles engaged. Boost self-esteem. Boxing does more than just build muscles, it builds confidence. As you see your fitness improving, your muscles growing, and your endurance increasing, there's a natural boost in how you perceive yourself. You start to stand taller, feel stronger, and carry yourself with a sense of pride that comes from hard work and discipline. It's not just about looking good, but about feeling empowered, knowing that you can handle both physical and mental challenges. As you become more skilled in boxing, you also gain the valuable knowledge of self-defense. This isn't just about protecting yourself, it's about knowing that you have the capability to face situations with confidence. Imagine walking into a room, not just with bigger muscles, but with the knowledge that you're in control of your body and your reactions. This mindset shift can translate into other areas of life, from your career to personal relationships, reinforcing the link between physical training and mental strength. For many, the journey through boxing is transformative. It's not just about achieving fitness goals like losing weight or building muscles. It's about reshaping how you see yourself. The consistent progress in training, the physical changes, and the mastery of a new skill combine to lift your self-esteem to new levels. Each punch you throw and each round you complete serves as a reminder of your strength, resilience, and capability, boosting both body and spirit. Increases strength and endurance. Boxing is a true test of both strength and endurance. Each punch requires not just arm power, but also coordination from your legs, core, and shoulders, creating a full-body workout that constantly challenges your muscles. As you move through the rounds, the intensity pushes your body to its limits, building muscle strength while improving stamina. It's no wonder athletes in various sports incorporate boxing into their training to increase their overall performance and fitness levels. When you combine boxing with functional training, the results are amplified. Think of circuit workouts, where you alternate between punching drills, and strength exercises. This keeps your muscles guessing and prevents workout plateaus. Imagine starting your session with heavy bag work, followed by squats, push-ups, and lunges. The combination of boxing and resistance training allows your muscles to grow while improving cardiovascular health, creating that perfect balance between strength and endurance. It's not just about getting big muscles. It's about building a body that's resilient and capable of handling any challenge thrown its way. Whether you're lifting weights at the gym or tackling a challenging workout session, the strength and endurance gained from boxing provide a solid foundation. You'll notice the difference not just in how you look, but in how long you can maintain high-intensity workouts without tiring out. Boxing, in essence, sculpts a body that is as tough as it is strong. So now that you know what boxing can do for your body, what are you waiting for? Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing stronger muscles, less fat, and feeling more confident than ever. Have you already experienced the benefits of boxing? I'd love to hear your story. Drop a comment below and share how boxing has transformed your life, whether it's helped you lose weight, build muscles, or simply feel better mentally. If you haven't started yet, now's the perfect time to get in the ring and experience it for yourself. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the tips that could take your fitness to the next level.